हाय एवरीवन। सो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और इस वीडियो में हम यहाँ पर बात करने वाले टीसीएस निंजा के इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले अगर आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर सारी चीज़ें मेंशन करी हैं, यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस मेरे साथ शेयर किया गया है। सो वन बाय वन सारे क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करते हैं। सो आई गेव टीसीएस एमक्यूटी फॉर निंजा रोल ऑन 5th जून। सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा रीसेंट एक्सपीरियंस है एट थाने मुंबई कैंपस। आई जस्टिफाइड द रोल, द क्वेश्चन वाज it justified the role. The question were not too hard. Okay, TR and MR round. First I was told to introduce myself, तो introduction तो हो गई. Then they asked about my programming languages, मतलब जो जो आपको programming languages आती हैं, can you tell about that? Okay. Then they asked me to write simple Java code which could take input from user and contain if else statement. Very easy. So we need to take a user input in Java, okay, and you need to use the if else statement in that code, okay. Very easy code again. After this I was asked about Arduino Uno, as it was present in my resume. I don't know about this, what is this, but they asked about it. Okay. I was also asked about IoT again because it was present in my resume. Okay. Also asked me about OSI model protocols and if I know about Agile framework, multi-threading. Asked me if I have experience in socket something. Okay. So I am hoping this is related to the discussion. Also, this is related to the projects or any kind of tech stack which he mentioned in the resume. Though it was not in my resume, okay, so though it was not in my resume, they still asked me this, and I got to know from other candidates that they asked about protocols, OSCN and OSI modules too. That means, okay, so without resume also they are asking about computer networks and operating systems. Okay, so they are asking about computer networks and operating system. Okay, so this is one important thing which we are getting here. Also, if you want to prepare, you will be getting these notes here. You can purchase the notes. All the notes are given here, like oops notes, programming collection framework, STL, HR questions, DSA theory, project based questions, CS fundamentals, like operating system networks notes are also here, SQL queries, computer science, coding sheet, pseudocode output, candidate experience sheet. So many things you will be getting here. Interview notes links is in the description. Now after this, another then they asked me about DDL and DML and SQL again from resume, as I mentioned project in Java plus SQL. I also asked about my family background, whether do I am ready for relocation and if I was ready to face time constant of working in TCS. That's all in TR and MR round. It is a very simple round, if you can see here, not much different question, only some questions from project and general questions only from programming. Then going forward, HR round. It was short round which got concluded in 10 minutes. They asked me to introduce myself again, okay, in HR round. Family background was asked here too. Also asked about my weakness, asked me if I ready to for relocation. Said if I were to tell you I want to relocate to Hyderabad tomorrow, then you will be ready. That's it. The interviewers were pretty supportive. I got to know from other candidates the entire interview is based on resume and you should prepare your resume thoroughly. Also, if you have extracurricular mentioned in your resume, then it's a plus point. So this is the interview experience which I got. Okay, interesting interview experience. I hope you guys liked it. Also, for the preparation, you can follow the interview notes. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching.